Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a Super Mario fishbowl kind of ornament thingy for your room. So obviously it's not going to be used for real fish, it's purely just decorational. So to start off you're going to need a small fishbowl or large one if you want. I'm just using a plastic one. I think it's actually meant to be for cocktails and stuff. So it's only £1 from Poundland. And to make all the characters and the flowers and stuff I'm going to be using mini hammer beads, which are just fuse beads. You can also get perler beads and things like that, and this is like the mini variety and they're really tiny. So you can get patterns and things for all the characters with a quick Google search. So they're like the original sprites from the early games. And you're just going to lay these out on a pegboard following the pattern, and then you take an iron and fuse these together. So it does take a while to do, especially with the mini beads, but it gives a nice kind of retro pixel effect. So that's why I like using these, though I haven't used them that much very often lately. Okay, so you just put some parchment paper on top, some greaseproof paper, get warm iron. This is just a little mini travel iron I use especially for the hammer beads. And you want to melt them slightly on one side, enough so they stick together. Take them off the pegboard, then you want to melt them slightly more. I like to melt on both sides because I think it makes it more secure. Some people just like to melt the one side. It's totally up to you which way you do it though. Then once you've done that, you want to put something hard on it, like a book, and let it cool down. They don't take long to cool down, but you want them to cool down flat. So once you've done all the characters, you need some craft wire, and this is what we're going to use to stand everything up. So you want to just get the hammer bead thingy that you made, and you're just going to tape that onto the craft wire. So this one I want to actually sit slightly above the flower, so I put that right at the top of the wire. Then I'm going to tape it again to the flower, leaving a gap in between. So if you're really close you'll be able to see the wire. If you're not, then you shouldn't be able to see it that much. Same with the fish, you want like a long stem. And then when it comes to the bottom, I just bend over the rest of the craft wire into like a triangle shape just to make a small stand. And this will make it stand up. Though the bottom of my bowl isn't exactly flat, so it's not going to stand up by itself, so I'm actually going to attach another bit of tape to this and then actually tape it to the bottom. And that's all you have to do. You have to do this with all the other characters. Like I say, with the fish you want like a long stem of the wire, and then all that's left to do then is to grab some normal hammer beads, or you can use actually the stones that you can get cheaply that you would normally in a fish bowl. And I'm going to put those, a layer of those at the bottom. So it's all done, and that's it. That's all you have to do. You're done, finished. So let me know if you make one of these, and show me pictures if you do, because I want to see what characters you use. And as usual, thanks for watching. Bye!